Hello guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. Today I'm going to be showing you the OBD2 port and cabin fuse box locations on a 2018 Nissan Qashqai. First off, if I show you the OBD2 port, come over the driver's side or the right hand side of the vehicle, just come down in the footwell and you will see your petrol release, bonnet release, and then this panel here. If you put your hand under the panel, give it a pull, that actually exposes your OBD2 port. Now for the fuse box location, if you go over to the passenger side of the vehicle, or the left hand side of the vehicle in this instance, you just open up the glove box, and inside the glove box you'll see this panel here. Get your hand behind, click the panel forward, and that actually reveals your cabin fuses. If you found this video helpful, please give me the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.